Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and I want to go ahead and show you what I made for out of the scraps that I had. I actually used the lemon shaker. It's actually a bag topper, and this is actually one of the things that I'm giving away. So, I mean the die for this. So I made these 4 lemon shaker pouches, and that's pretty much it, guys. I didn't have a lot of big pieces left, and so that's what I did. So let's go ahead and get on with the giveaway. The first one I'm going to give away is the actual, I'm going to call it a bag topper, but it is a shaker. So you had to answer 2 questions, and if you read, if you listened to the video, you know what they were. So the first one, I have, these are the people that qualified for it. I mean, there's a lot, and I'm just going to grab one, and that is for the topper. Oh, look, Michelle Parker, you won the topper. Okay, you need to email me at daisydebcrafts@gmail.com. I believe I have your address because you've won something before. Let me see if I can put... But anyway, Michelle, you won the lemon topper, okay? And then let's go ahead for the second one. Remember, this is used. I made those 2 albums with it. It is the Lemonade Jug Mini album. And let's grab one, and let's see who won this one. That would be Cindy Williams 3972. You guys email me at daisydebcrafts@gmail.com. I'm going to put your... And it has to be USA only, guys. I know, Michelle, you live in the US, but I don't know about Cindy. I'm just going to staple this one on here. That way I can keep up with who won. Okay. All right. Let me throw these away because not everybody... We only had 4 in the second video. So there's 3 dies that I'm giving away in the second video. There's only 4 people that actually answered the questions. The 2 questions, and if you watch the video, you know what those 2 questions were. Okay, so the first one is for the Shabby Chic Flowers. Let's go ahead, and I am going to grab one winner. Let's see who it is. And that's Debbie Blanton 4213. And remember, you have to be US only. And you need to email me at daisydebcrafts@gmail.com. I'm going to put this in here. That way I know who won. Okay. All right. And now for the swap partner words. Okay, let's do this. Those are cute. I'm going to have to make them and show them on camera. Okay, let's see who won this one. That is Jean Kid-K5T. Yeah, good for you. Email me at daisydebcrafts@gmail.com. Needs to be USA address, guys. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. Okay. All right, and then the last one is the Cute Bees. Cute Bee. Go ahead and... Who won this one? Michelle Parker won this one. Okay, Michelle, you are lucky. Okay, so 2 of them go to Michelle. All right, guys, that is it. I want to show you a sneak peek of what's coming up for Patriotic Week real quick. Let me show you and get that out of the way. If you have a Cricut, you're going to love next week. This is a sneak peek of one of the little notebooks, or you can turn it into a mini album, whatever you want, that I will share the file. There's no giveaways really for next week except for the files. And I'm doing all Patriotic Week. Anyway, I'll see you next week. You guys have a wonderful weekend. Bye.